Somebody mention birds? Right, here we go again. I'm on the road again. When I'm so tired and hungry, help in the rain and snow. I'm on the road again. I reckon that's all the wrong words. But it's a good song. Yep, listen to it. I'm on the road again. Right, anyway, yep, we're on the road and again off we're going. Let's save that. Ah, shut up, dog. Yep, not sure where we're going. Down into Prachuap. I forgot the name of the place. What's it called? It's called My Special Spots. Right, yeah, well, according to the GPS, it says 2 hours and 18 minutes, but I don't actually think it takes that long. I think probably hour 45 we should be there. So it says we will arrive at 7 o'clock. It's currently 4:47. So yeah, it says we're going to arrive at 7. Let's see what time we do arrive. I'm sure it'll be earlier, but I do need to stop and get diesel and something to eat. Although yeah, so today is going to be another trip out to a birding spot. This one, as I say, I can't remember the name. I just call it the Burmese border because we'll be right on the border of Burma or Myanmar or Burma. A lot of good birds there. A lot of good southern birds as well. I've seen reports there of hairy-backed bulbuls, which are certainly a more predominantly southern species. Also, my main targets today, not actually in that spot, but I will visit after, and hopefully they'll still be there, is a pale-capped pigeon, vinous-breasted. Oh, nice one, mate. Thanks for indicating. The vinous-breasted starling. What was the other starling? Oh, my brain never works in the morning. Was it Rosie? Maybe it was Rosie. Yeah, mainly it's only the pale. Mainly it's only the pale-capped pigeon. Vinous-breasted starling or vinous-breasted myna. I can find other places, but this is, you know, all for topping up the Prachuap list. I think I can't remember now. I think 170 something species this year, maybe more. So, you know, we're doing pretty well for the Prachuap list. And the main thing is, you know, I want to put Prachuap on the map for birding. Yeah, in this region, you know, everybody goes straight to Phetchaburi, to Gangajan, which, don't get me wrong, Gangajan is a fantastic place. Over 400 species. But, you know, Gangajan is saturated. You know, so many people go there. Prachuap, the places that I go to, you know, I was on a trip a couple of days ago at the other place that you saw in the last video, and the whole day we didn't see one person apart from a couple of locals on motorbikes. But yeah, these places, birding wise, they're really good. I think, you know, that same place, I went there I think the week before. Yeah, it would have been last Monday, and I think it was around about 80 species for the day. So these places are really good birding spots, but very, very seldom birded. Nobody goes there. Nobody knows about them, I think. So I think we have to put Prachuap Khiri on the map for birding, and I might regret it later when I turn up to my quiet, secluded spots and find 100 birders there. But then I suppose it's job done. Anyway, I'm going to carry on driving. Not so much rambling today. See you when we get there. Right, well, we're just about here. Some beautiful views. There's a bank robber on a bike. Look at that, that's a beautiful view. But a horrible view of the burning, whatever they're burning. Whatever they're burning, they're not supposed to be. It looks like that whole hill has been on fire. Wow. Wonderful. Just through the little stream, up and over the other side, and then we're there. There we go. What a beautiful spot. Here we go, into the wilderness. Let's see what we can find. I can already hear hornbills. Yeah, you can hear oriental pied hornbill. Can you hear that? Puff-throated babbler. It's raining or snowing. Seeds and flowers. Wow, look at that. What a wonderful secluded place. I'm the only one here. Well, I've walked all the way up here
which is probably about 2 kilometers, I suppose. Not sure how far now, but it's certainly a long way up. It's very steep, as you can see if I turn the camera around, how steep that goes down. Maybe the camera doesn't do it justice. If I turn around, you can see how high it's going up. I've probably reached about halfway, I suppose. But so I think what I'll do is I'll have a walk back down. It's very quiet up here. There was a lot more activity further down, so we'll go back down and see if we can find anything down there. Oh, I tell you what, it's a hard slog walking up here, especially for an old git like me. I suppose probably, I'd say, about halfway. So let's go back down. And I think I heard silver-breasted broadbills, definitely heard banded broadbills, and that bamboo woodpecker. Yeah, what a dick. I left the tripod in the car, come out, and a pair of bamboo woodpeckers right out in the open. And I got a couple of shitty shots. I've got a couple of terrible shots, but didn't get any video. Went back, obviously went back to the car, got the tripod, come back, and they're gone. Oh well, that's sod's law, isn't it? Well, not such a bad morning. I think about 30 or 40 species, I'm not sure. Very quiet, not too much about, but some good birds, especially the grey-faced buzzard and bamboo woodpeckers. Not too much video. That's well, that's it. A few new species for the Prachuap list for this year. Oh, there goes another woody. Lots of woodpeckers everywhere, but all flamebacks. Oh, so did see they did get the bamboo woodpecker. Yeah, and what a balls up with a bamboo woodpecker. Brian, you're an idiot. You left your tripod in the car, went walking with the camera, got the bamboo woodpecker, 2 of them, really clear out in the open, not moving. Would have been perfect for a bit of video, but by the time I walked back to the car and then walked back to the woodpeckers, of course they were gone. Of course they were gone. But still, yeah, I'm gonna head off out now, and not quite gonna head home yet. I've got another spot to visit, so I'll see you when I get there, or I'll see you on the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this little video out at the mystery place. I still can't remember the name of it, but I will put the name down shortly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and all of that, and share it with your friends. To be honest, I might even stop making the videos because, you know, I love making them, but it's a lot of work, and you know, then I get 30 views, 50 views, not enough people watching. So we'll see how it goes. It might pick up a little bit with the views. Right, anyway, as I say, that's it. Don't forget, do all the usual, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.